Do you want to improve your geography game on your time, on your budget, without paying ridiculous high hotel fees and airplane fares? I've got the answer for you. You need to buy this camper behind me. 2026 Rockwood Geo Pro 19LE is going to get you everywhere. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. Let's get into it. Before we hop inside, let's hit some of these key features on this model on the outside. You're going to want to check off that long destination bucket list, right? Well, what are you going to need? You're going to need a lot of stuff at your fingertips to be able to go and navigate anywhere. And that's going to be accomplished with this huge storage pass-through up front. I love the latch, easy to open, magnetic catch to hold it open, and there you go. You can fish everything out. You're probably going to go to some places that don't have all the hookups. We're going to have propane and a battery on the front of the tongue to be able to get some of those appliances and utilities inside running. But you also have a solar port here. Grab yourself a nice little briefcase fold-up solar panel, and that way you can position that wherever you choose. As you guys have seen my other videos, I'm all about patio time. We have a nice power awning that closes off, or I shouldn't say, opens up to a nice space here. We're gonna have electric outlets as well to make sure that we can get some of those tunes or maybe some TV going. And last but not least, underneath, feeding off that front propane tank up front, we're gonna have a propane quick connect. We can grill up some tasty vittles. So what kind of things are you going to want and need in your future camper so you can go blaze the trails and see all the world has to offer? We're going to cover that again, all the 2026 Rockwood Geo Pro 19LE with the interior features and the floor plan. Getting started with this area here that I'm sitting in, this is your slide out. Really opens up the floor space. We've got a futon style sofa that you can easily lay into a bed. As you can see in front of me, of course, a table that's easily removable. And of course, some of those things that we really like to have in a camper, cup holders. We have cup holders on both sides of the sofa, as well as this middle piece here that folds out, that we can stow some extra mobile devices, things like that. Of course, a window behind me, nice roller shade to be able to easily close off for privacy or just nighttime. Moving to the front of the camper, we have a big size bed for this smaller footprint camper, so I really like that. We have an east to west bed that has a little bit of storage underneath and a nice shelf at the front of the camper, so we can just stow some of those loose items that we may need to grab while we're laying down. Moving over to the door side, or opposite of where I'm sitting, full kitchen. And when I say full kitchen, there's a lot of storage. That's something that I always want and need when I go camping, no matter where I go. The big, I'm gonna call it a shirt closet, if you will, has tons of space there. Go to, like I did, go to Home Goods or one of those home stores. You can divide that up, but there is a closet bar at the top that you can easily hang some stuff off. Moving into the actual kitchen itself, plenty of counter space, especially with that stovetop glass piece that you can put down just to increase your surface area. But of course, you do have your two burner propane stovetop to do some cooking. Underneath that is going to be your microwave. We have a couple nice big drawers that we can stow some of those kitchen utensils and such. And I like the fact as I'm standing here at the kitchen, we have a big window that opens up into the patio side. So I can really communicate to somebody that's outside, or in a day like today, have the window open and just allow some breeze in. And finally, in the kitchen area, your upper cabinets, again, two big cabinets that we can really stow a lot of pots and pans and plates and things like that. As you get into all those types of trips that you're going to endeavor with this awesome camper. In the corner here, as you go right inside the door, I love the placement of the of the refrigerator. It's right there by the door, and I don't know if you guys, if you have a camper, you're out camping, I just like the refrigerators close to the door because I'm usually outside. Boom, I can grab my stuff, or more importantly, loading it up, I can load it up quickly. But it is a 12-volt refrigerator with a freezer drawer underneath, which really is going to cool down fast. And then last but not least, getting into this last part of this floor plan is your bathroom. Nice corner bathroom, got your foot pedal flush toilet. Nice shower enclosure for your shower with a curtain that is magnetized, so we can close that off easily. And of course, some counter space with your bathroom sink with some vanity space underneath. Now, as far as getting into some of those wilderness areas, don't worry whether climate or your boondocking, etc. We do have a 10,000 BTU AC that's easily going to cool this sucker down. We have your classic propane furnace that, man, those things I think are too powerful some days. And as I mentioned, you're going to have, of course, your solar prep that you can really get into grabbing some of those sun rays and power up some of these vital appliances. So you're going to get into this camper and go everywhere, and now you're going to be the risk master? Yeah, you are. Again, all that geography, you're gonna soak in going everywhere with this camper. Hope you liked it. Again, 2026 Rockwood Geo Pro 19LE. Give it a thumbs up. Got a lot of questions, I'm sure, that I didn't get to cover some stuff. Comment below, get you some answers. And everybody, show us some love, smash that subscribe button. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. We'll see you out at the campsites.